Hello and welcome to Heidi's Homemade Quilts and More. Today I have an unboxing of Diamond Art Club. Now, I said I was not going to order any more diamond paintings, and then they came out with a new release that I really wanted. So, of course, I had to, one, order enough for the free shipping, and two, I got a coupon for buy two get one free, so of course I had to get three. And I also ordered a an organizer because I happen to really like that style of organizer. Oh, and it has the 15% off coupon code on the bottom of that, so that's good. So, like I said, I ordered a organizer, and this is the round little jar thingies that I actually have my Spider-Man painting that I'm doing right now kitted up in one of these, and I really like them. These little guys. Actually, I can show you. It's right here on the table. The way I have it kitted up. So I have it 1 through 30 there, and this bottom one is all one color. It ends at 27. So I just did the rest of them in all the same color because it's all white, because it's like a white Spider-Man thing. So yeah, there you go. There's all the colors. Mr. Spider-Man. Okay. But I really like the style of this one, so I ordered another one. It's like $13 from Diamond Art Club. I think $13.99, something like that. So yeah, got another one. Okay. All right. So all the ones I got are new canvases, or new ones. They're part of the new release ones that they just did. So which ones did I get, huh? So this one is let's get him open. And apparently I'm struggling today. There it goes. All right. And we've got diamonds, rounds, and we have a clear bag, Diamond Art Club, and we have a sticker. It's in there. All right. And we have a kit. All right, so we got Moonglow. There she is. Okay. If you have not seen this one unboxed yet, it is 47 by 66, round with ABs. Looks like there are 2 ABs on that one. So let's take a look. At Moonglow. And there's the instructions on how to diamond paint. All right. Now from the back, I do see a little bit of bubbling, but I'm sure that will come out as soon as I lift the, it's like right here. I can feel it, yeah. As soon as I lift the paper, I think it'll come out. Or the plastic, I should say. But there's Moonglow. Isn't she pretty? And of course that canvas. Diamond Art Club canvas. It is shiny. And you really do get spoiled. Doing Diamond Art Club and then going back and doing a different company's canvas, you will notice the difference. Like, by far, you will notice the difference. Yeah, so far I have not found anything that even slightly compares to Diamond Art Club and their canvases. Let's take a look at some of these diamonds. So let's see if I can find the ABs. Oh, they're right there. Okay. I don't really want to take this out because I want to try to keep the diamonds with the painting. And if I take them out, I won't be able to get them back in. So there is 141. That's the white AB. And then right here in the corner is 138. That pretty blue. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see if I can get this back in there now. All right. I think I got it back in there. Awesome. All right, let's see if I can get that back in the box. Because that is the real. Woo, it went back in. Yay. All right. And you? Are you going to go back in there? Nope, not that easily anyway. That's okay. We can leave her out for now. So there is kit number 1. And of course you have your round toolkit in case you've never seen it. It's the same for every diamond painting kit from Diamond Art Club for a round. You've got your 3-placer, okay? You've got 2 heart-shaped waxes. You've got a squishy and a clear funnel bolt and a blue pen, along with 5 little baggies, okay? All right. So I actually will not be traveling too much the next couple weeks. I'm going to be working pretty close to, I guess, home, you could almost say. Ooh, there's a lot of diamonds in that one. So I'm thinking I might do a couple whip-in chats since I'll be home, or, you know, quasi-home, my dad's house. I don't really have a home, so I can't really say I'll be home, but, you know, I won't be staying at a hotel. We'll put it that way, okay? All right, so we've got a sticker, which I'll show you in a minute. We've got a canvas in a clear bag. Again, we'll see that. We got a whole bunch of diamonds and a square kit. So this one is square. The only difference in the kits is the square ones come with tweezers, which are extremely sharp. All right. A lot of diamonds, a lot of browns in there. Okay. So, where is there it is. Let's open this baby up and take a look at the canvas. I don't think I've seen this one unboxed yet. Of course, it did just come out. I ordered it the day that it was released for the Ruby level, I think. I don't know. They have my account messed up for some reason. It goes to 2 different emails, and so the points that I got on the one email, they were supposed to transfer over to my main one, but they haven't yet. And if they did, I would be like a diamond member or whatever. All right, so this is huge. It is 55 by 73, and this is Rayanne. I haven't seen her unboxed yet. This is one that I had to have. That's really tight. Those wrinkles will fall out eventually. There you go. And look at that. She's got a little owl necklace on. How awesome is that? I really, really like this one. Really, really like this one. Okay. All right. Let's roll her belt up. And she has 38 colors and one AB. I did not realize there was an AB on this one. There is one AB on this one. Oops. Oh, that didn't go back in there very well. Okay. Yep. So that must be like the twinkle lights. These twinkle lights, that must be the ABs. Because it does show that it's a yellow here. Okay. Now I want to see the, oh, it's an orangey. Yeah, I can, it's right there. I don't know if you can see that in there. Again, I don't want to undo these because I really want to put them back in the box. But you can see that shimmer, that orangey color. Lots of chocolate brown colors. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of black though. It's mostly just dark browns and some grays. Looks good. See now, that's a lot of diamonds. If you have watched my other most recent video, you'll see what I mean by that's a lot of diamonds. Some of those that I unboxed were quite large and there wasn't a lot of diamonds in the set. So that does make me a little worried that those did not come with enough diamonds. But this one appears to have, and I've never had a problem with Diamond Art Club not sending enough diamonds. But they will also make it right if they do happen to short you. Okay? And now this one is the other one that I absolutely must get. So I did. This one and Rhiannon are the ones that I had to have. And then I got Moonglow because, well, basically she was free. So might as well get her. And this one, can you guess which one I got? I have seen this one unboxed once so far on YouTube. But that's okay. We'll do it again. So, we got our clear bag. We've got diamonds, and we've definitely got some ABs. I already see like 2 of them right off the bat. And she's round. Round toolkit. And yep, Trixie. Because I like steampunk, and that's what she looks like, is steampunk. So, 46 by 66, and there's 3 ABs in this one. There's 2 right there at the top, and then there's 1 down here on the bottom. All right. Cool. All right. Let's take a look at this canvas. Seeing it in person is so much better than seeing it on a video. Oh, canvas is so shiny. I love how shiny these canvases are. It's wound really tight though. Look at her face. I love the Hannah Lynn's because of the faces. There you go. Look at the detail in her corset. Look at that. Look how detailed that is. That is going to be awesome looking. And her hair. Yeah, that's going to be cool. I really like that. Okay. Let's put her back together again. You know what's going to be hard? Once I get done with the Mr. Spider-Man that I'm working on, deciding what I want to work on next. Because I've been doing Christmas presents for the last like 2 months. And now I'm actually going to be picking something that I want to do for myself. And that's going to be hard. Because I'm going to be like, oh, I want to do this one. Oh, I want to do this one. Oh, I want to do this one. One of these days, I might show you how many of diamond paintings I actually have. But today is not that day. All right. Down in the comments, if you feel like it, like I said, I was thinking about doing some whip chats. I am thinking about doing one while diamond painting and one while doing some crocheting. If you would like to put in the comments below what you would like me to talk about, have any suggestions, comments, anything like that, let me know. I will definitely take that into consideration and maybe answer some questions if you have any. Even if they're just questions about myself, you know, because there's that too. So, as always, these look really good. There's like 3 bags of 310 in there. There are, okay, so we have this yellow color right here for an AB. I don't know if you can see that. That blue that we saw in the last one, he's down in there. And, oh, and there's the orange. Orange AB right there. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty colors. I like the color scheme on this one. All right, guys. That's everything that I got from Diamond Art Club this time. And I think I've gotten pretty much all of my orders now. So I'm probably not going to be doing any more unboxings of diamond paintings anytime soon. I'm hoping to not order anymore. I do get bored while I'm traveling and sometimes order more than I really intend to. But for now, I think that's pretty much it. If I have anything else come in, I think I am still waiting for one more Wish diamond painting, and so I will do that once that gets here. But yeah, thanks for watching. I will be posting more videos as soon as I can. So don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button below. And leave me a comment, thumbs up, whatever, thumbs down, I don't care. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.